My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Tesla Model X. This vehicle was done just under 30,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. As we make our way around the vehicle, we can get a good view of the Falcon wing doors. On the user interface, if we click the Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access our controls. This allows us to close the doors, bonnet and boot, all from within inside the car. We also have pedals and steering, suspension, charging, autopilot, safety, service and software. Within safety, we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. We have our camera, which also comes with parking sensors. If we click this icon here, we can access toy box and arcade. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.